Armour battles. Mission 2, Turn 2. US and German reserves are available this turn. Command dice are rolled at the start of each turn. The US roll 5 command dice. The Germans roll 4 command dice. The Germans rolled a 6 as well as a 1. The 1 is discarded. The Germans go first as they rolled the most 6s. First German command pulse. The Germans have 3 command dice and 3 staff orders. First German reserves. The Germans use a command dice to call their Panzer IVs. The Panzer IVs make a triple move. First US command pulse. The US have 5 command dice and 4 staff orders. The US call a fire mission. The M5 tank acts as forward observer. The battery responds and fires for effect. The battery is on target. The battery rolls 2 hits including a suppression. The Stug rolls 2 successes including a 6. The Stug is suppressed. The next 2 fires have no effect. The mission ends and the impact marker is removed. First US reserves. The US commit their first tank platoon. The M4 tanks make a double move. One Stug has line of sight and uses opportunity fire. The fire has no effect. It's a long-range shot. The fire has no effect. Second German command pulse. The Germans call a fire mission. The Stug acts as forward observer. The Germans win and the battery fires for effect. The battery is on target. All M4 tanks are in the blast radius. The battery rolls 5 successes, including 2 suppressions. The M4 rolls 2 successes. It takes 2 disruptions. It is suppressed and forced back a double move. The M4 is marked with 2 disruptions and a suppression. The battery rolls 3 successes, including 2 suppressions. The M476 rolls 2 successes. It takes 1 disruption and is forced back a single move. The M476 is marked with a disruption and a suppression. The battery rolls 2 successes. The M4 rolls 4 successes and is unharmed. The fire mission ends and the impact marker is removed. The Germans use a command dice to remove the suppression. Second US command pulse. Needing a forward observer, the US regroups the M476. The US call a fire mission. The M476 has line of sight to the Panzer IVs. The US succeeds at the comms check and the battery fires for effect. The battery is on target. All 3 Panzer IVs are in the blast radius. The battery rolls 4 hits, including 2 suppressions. The Panzer IV rolls 5 successes and is suppressed. The Panzer IV is marked with a suppression. The battery rolls 3 hits, including 1 suppression. The Panzer IV rolls 4 successes. The Panzer IV is suppressed. The battery rolls 4 hits. The Panzer IV rolls 2 successes and takes 2 disruptions. The mission ends and the impact marker is removed. Second US reserves. The US advance with a double move. The Panzer IV uses opportunity fire at long range. The Panzer IV rolls 4 hits, including 2 suppressions. The M4 rolls 4 successes, but only 1 6. The M4 is suppressed. The fire is at long range. The M475 rolls 5 hits, including 2 suppressions. The suppressed Panzer IV rolls 2 successes and is dispersed. The Germans lose 1 morale. The fire has no effect. The US keep up the pressure by regrouping the M475. The M4 rolls 4 hits, including 2 suppressions. The Panzer IV rolls 5 successes, but is suppressed. Third German command pulse. The Germans use a wild dice to order the Stugs to advance. The M476 fires at long range. The Stug is unaffected. The Stugs fire at the M4 tank. The M475 takes a disruption. A staff order is used to commit the Panthers. It's a long-range shot. The M476 takes its third disruption and is dispersed. The US lose 1 morale. Third US command pulse. The US store a staff order. The Germans have no command dice. Fourth US command pulse. Third US reserves arrive. The US use a double move to advance onto the hill. The M4s fire at long range. M475 gets a suppression and 1 disruption on the Stug. The Stug is forced back onto the hill. End of turn 2. The US have 8 morale. The Germans have 9. The US have lost 3 tanks. The Germans have lost 1 tank. The battle continues in the next video. Subscribe, like and hit the bell icon to keep up to date with Armour battles and Combat HQ. See you in the next one.